You know, we can talk, but do not give me a double face. Ako nagapugong-pugong lang ko because I know practically everybody. We used to talk, we were friends. But that was during the time when I was mayor. I was not then burdened with the responsibility of running the country. Ngayon, iba na ang sitwasyon. Kaya pag kinalaban mo yung polis ko, pag binaril mo yung sundalo, kalaban talaga tayo. Kung magbarilan tayo, di magbarilan. Yan ang ano ko dyan. But can you just stop fighting for a while? Kasi ang sabi ng mga leader ninyo sa Europe, there will be a ceasefire. Una, sabi ng leader ninyo that you were to engage government forces. Tapos they realize now, at this very late day, that wala kang makuha dyan sa terorista. There will never be a political, social, or economic space for you communists if it is terrorism that prevails the day. Wala kayong makuha dyan. And the terrorist, itong terorista, walang ideology yan. It is far distant from Islam, which they have corrupted to kill people in the name of God. Wala kayong makuha dyan sa anong nationalism. Ang MIMNLF, makasabot ko, I can understand you. That is why I have not declared any overt action against you. I want to talk to you because I know ang inyo was just a rising nationalism.